Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth beauty product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of sunless tanning with the Norvell Premium Sunless Tanning Solution, Venetian Plus, a product that promises to give you that deep, sun-kissed glow without the harmful UV rays. So, what exactly is this product? Well, the Venetian Plus is a unique sunless tanning solution designed to mimic the rich bronze tones of the European Riviera. Its formula blends violet and brown tone bronzers to create a natural-looking tan that works with all skin tones. If you're someone who craves a glowing tan but doesn't want the damage from the sun, this might be just what you're looking for. Now let's take a closer look at the product. The key feature of the Venetian Plus tanning solution is its high-quality DHA, dihydroxyacetone. The quality of DHA is critical in sunless tanning because it directly affects how your skin develops that tan. This product uses premium DHA to ensure a more natural, long-lasting color. The formula is further enhanced with natural enzymes, which help repair weak or dehydrated skin, while also improving your body's natural moisturizing process. It's also packed with a dermal barrier that locks the DHA in the top layer of your skin for better color retention. What's also important is that this product is free of parabens, gluten, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic fragrances, and GMOs, making it a safer option for those with sensitive skin or who prefer cleaner beauty products. The product is designed for use with airbrush and HVLP, high-volume, low-pressure systems, making it ideal for professionals, but you can also use it at home if you have the proper equipment. In terms of real-world use, I found that the Venetian Plus applied smoothly, and the bronzer immediately gave my skin a natural sun-kissed glow. It dries quickly, so you're not left feeling sticky for too long. The DHA starts working within 2 to 4 hours, but the full color develops over the next 18 to 24 hours. After that time, the tan deepens into a gorgeous golden brown. One thing to note, this product has a short shelf life, only 7 months from production. While that's a little concerning if you don't use it frequently, it's a trade-off for having high-quality ingredients that deliver a deeper, more authentic tan. As for the cons, the immediate bronzer does wash off during your first shower, which can be a little disappointing if you're expecting the tan to stay right away. Also, you'll need to avoid activities like sweating, bathing, or swimming in chlorinated pools for at least 8 hours after application, which can be a bit restrictive. Now let's talk about value for money. The Norvell Premium Sunless Tanning Solution is certainly on the pricier side, but considering the quality of the ingredients and the long-lasting tan it provides, I believe it's worth the investment. Plus, it's ideal for professionals, and the fact that it's formulated with natural moisturizing elements makes it a cut above many other self-tanning products. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other sunless tanners available at a lower price point, like St. Tropez's Self-Tan Bronzing Mousse, which also offers a natural-looking tan and is a popular choice for many. However, the Venetian Plus stands out with its innovative formulation and emphasis on skin hydration and health. To wrap up, if you're looking for a sunless tanning solution that delivers a deep, long-lasting tan with a more natural look, the Norvell Premium Sunless Tanning Solution, Venetian Plus, is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who are committed to getting a professional quality tan at home, or for professionals looking for a reliable tanning product for their clients. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this tanning solution or have any thoughts to share, drop a comment below. Let's talk about your tanning experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.